graham cake. That's an extra. I'm big. I should be eating that. You're small. Mm. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are making graham balls with marshmallow inside. So these are the ingredients: crushed graham, we have the condensed Alaska, and we have the marshmallow. So let's start. First, we are gonna put the crushed graham. For you, I'm gonna put it. And you're gonna hold it. I think it's gonna be higher and higher. I think this is okay. I'm gonna get out the spoon. So next we will put the condensed milk. Just little by little. Now we will mix it. Mix. I think I need more Alaska. Let's until it looks like this. I want to taste it. This is done. So next we are going to put marshmallows. And then like this, guys. Okay, like this. And we will put it in the crushed graham again. And then put it in our container. And then put a little bit on my hand again. That's what it ends. dahan-dahan lang po magbilog. Soft and gentle. And it's really like color pink, not blue. Yeah, let's put it on the grass. This is my favorite color. Color pink, not blue. I like magenta, pink, white, violet, and rainbow. Baka magtaka po sila. Bakit hindi kasali na si Vince? I make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3. 5. Now it's time to make the sixth one. Because my sister has made the sixth one. This smells so smelly. I like the smell of it. It smells like flowers, my favorite flower type. Almost done, you. Are you almost done? No. And 7 more. That is so many. Oh yeah, I'm gonna run. So I'm gonna add more crushed graham. not to me. I got the blue one. I got a seriously big Graham balls. So we're done. So you can try this at home and we will taste it and it is yummy. And hey, that's mine. Eat your own graham cake. That's an extra. I'm big. I should be eating that. You're small. Bye bye.